Hey everybody, it's Miss Kabumba here, and we're back with another cosplay look. Today, I'm the one and only Mabel Pines from Gravity Falls, one of my favorite cartoons. Let's get into it. Starting off with a bare face, we're gonna add primer. You need to prime your face so your face stays matte. Then you're gonna fill in your eyebrows. Brush and fill them in, because we like fleeky eyebrows over here. Foundation and concealer. Grab the one that suits your complexion. I put the ... and then you see how I kind of shape it around my eyebrows. Yeah. After that, I grab my sponge and blend everything around my skin. So it actually suits my complexion now, just like there. Then the concealer ... I used the yellow from the Sailor Moon ColourPop palette. And here, this is a black on brand, Sweet Dreams by Color Cosmetics. I'm using the green and the pink. And you're just gonna blend it out a little bit. That little pink, I think, is also from the ColourPop palettes. I love the way I shaped it out. So I grabbed my Morphe 35S and I wanted to use some of the whites. But what happened was, the white wasn't as pigmented as I thought it was, so I had to use some of my white eyeliner, which worked out pretty well, if you ask me. And then I have the powder, because y'all know powder sets your face. We love powder over here. We're pro powder over here. I'm in love with these edits. Yes. And then the highlight from Sailor Moon ColourPop palette, because I love me some highlights. Oh my goodness. And there we have it, the finished look. Yeah! I'm Mabel Pines from Gravity Falls. This is so perfect. This is so cool, guys. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads. Follow me on all my other socials because I be posting makeup, fashion, cosplay, all that stuff. Adios, everyone.